Sharon, what other books have you read?
So I really liked Amitav Ghosh's In an Antique Land. This book made me want to go to Egypt. So this is his non-fiction book, which he wrote before his trilogy of Sea of Poppies and everything. And he writes about this one letter he finds in a museum, written to a slave master by his slave. The slave master is in Egypt and the slave is in Mangalore.
Mangalore.
So Mangalorean slave was written to his slave master, and he finds this letter. And he goes to Egypt to trace the history of this Mangalore.
ये non-fiction है?
ये non-fiction है.
अमिताभ घोष के पास कितना टाइम है?
This is when he was a scholar and he wanted to do research on this, and he goes to Egypt and he stays with this like crazy landlord who gives him like one PJ ke kamra. But it's lovely the way he describes Egypt, and he traces the history of the spice trade, the spice route. And sometime in the 1600s or so.
Oh.
So there is a lot of history.
Wait, there is a letter from the 1600s.
Yeah, which is in a museum that he found.
Holy
and he tries
shit.
to trace back the journey of this Mangalorean spy, I was going to say. Slave. Slave.
I would read that book. I would read it.
Meaning change ho gaya. So,
sorry.
So essentially that's the kind of Egypt I want to visit. And I've not been to Egypt at all, but he talks about and because it's non-fiction, right? And he talks about 60s Egypt, because he wrote this book in the 60s.
Right.
And he talks about all the streets, all the cities that he is visiting, and all the museums that he tries to go to trace back the history of this
slave trade.
Again, I was going to say spy, slave.
Spy/slave.
I don't know why. Maybe he was a spy. Do you think he's talking to me from beyond the grave?
I want to know what language this letter was written in, and because 1600s, what the
it was written in Hebrew, strangely enough.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, which is why this book is really interesting. Ek to there's history, upar se it's a travelogue, and then he tries to trace back this one Indian-Egypt connection. It's very interesting. Please, guys, read it. It's called In an Antique Land, and literally you feel you're in an antique land when you're reading it.
Amitav Ghosh to Egypt.
Amitav goes to. Oh my God, this happened. Moving on.
No, but you know what? So
yeah, you have to take feedback.
No. So I'm saying ki, like at some point, every writer, like writes one travelogue. Every writer, and I think my theory on this is ki, it's because they want to write a memoir, but don't want to seem pompous. Yeah, right. So it's like it'll always begin with I got a letter from my father and we haven't spoken for many years. Then I went to the safari and I saw a lion. And now I've forgiven my father. Like, you know what I mean?
Did the
like,
lion eat the father?
No, he's like, my father's just like the lion, aloof. And but he's majestic and he needs to be in the ecosystem, whatever it is like.
But isn't writing about travel part of building the atmosphere in a book?
Yeah, I mean, so this is this point, right? Like where you, like this was again asked to Vikram Chandra and they said ki has.
उसे बुला लेते हैं हम इसको क्यों लाएं?
हाँ यार. Actually, I'm basically just reiterating.
Billa bhi Vikram.
Yeah.
Go.
No, but उसने मस्त बोला था. I love this talk. Like he said कि they asked him कि in your book Sacred Games, did you consciously make Mumbai a character? Okay, and he said कि no, I don't set out to do that. But if my characters are living correctly, then then Mumbai is a part of it. So a good writer would make the place alive.
So is this fictionalized account of travelogues better than reading Lonely Planet guides?
Of course.
Yeah, 100%.
Things stick to your memory more.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, because things in context are always more interesting than things out of context.
Yeah.
And I think like the other side of it, I don't know, how do you guys travel? Like, do you guys research and travel, or do you guys travel and
No,
then
I just go and be
Right?
like
Thank
after
you.
reading,
Yes.
I'm sorry to
Yeah.
confess this, but like after reading Dan Brown, I want to go back to Italy.
वो भी
I
है,
was just going to
है,
say,
सही है. बात सही है.
Did Da
Angels
Vinci
and
Code
Demons.
not want
Yeah.
to make you
100%.
like go to
more than
France?
that,
Yeah.
Angels and Demons made me want to go to Italy and go to all those little churches everywhere and see कहाँ है
Yeah.
किधर है
Also,
Galileo किधर है
Yeah.
Also
Fountain दिखाओ मेरे
I want to find
also
something.
DDLJ.
Switzerland.
God, Anuya. Way to ruin this.
God Anuya is something people have said a lot.
Oh yes. Okay, stop it.
Cut all of it. So, what else?
God Anuya. I research and then travel.
But does that does that, okay, two questions for this. Like, does that take away something from the thing? Like, where you already have a preconceived notion, so you're like, hey, this doesn't add up to what I think of it? Does
No,
that
not really.
ऐसे
No?
कभी हुआ?
and does that does it put you under any expectations? Yeah, I have to see these places now, rather than just
I guess
discovering
that-
it.
That
Your
happens anyway.
imagination is your
No,
worst
there is-
enemy, no?
It's impossible in today's day and age to not research something. Like the minute you go there, you will look at Yelp and you will be like, "इसपे सबसे अच्छा Greek restaurant कहाँ है?" And it's important. It's impossible. There is too much information available to us right now at our fingertips
Also,
for us
there
to
are a
ignore
lot of
it.
these tours, right? As well that happen. Like there is the Murakami tour in Japan
Yeah.
that you can take.
There is
So,
the Lord of the Rings in New Zealand.
Of course.
also, every time they shoot the Game of
in
Thrones,
Croatia.
you can go and be an extra on the set. You
Yeah.
just have to be like, किधर है?
Hilarious.
मैं आओ.
मुझे भी मारो, come on.
I want to be dad.
है ना?
Please call me. I will.
Yeah,
I will
yeah,
go.
100%.
I will dad.
100%. I want like a epic, like
There
White
is
Walker.
a Manhattan Sex and the City tour also.
Yes.
Yeah. There are
Did
tours.
was Sex and the City ever a
Magnolia
novel?
cupcake shop.
Yes.
It started
Sex
as a
and the
novel.
City was a
Oh,
novel.
super.
Yeah.
Makes
Candace Bushnell.
I love it. Like, you know, like
I want to go to that Magnolia cupcake shop.
I've gone there.
Yeah, how is it?
It's okay.
this is a Sex and the City
Whatever,
reference.
Yeah.
it is.
It's a very
Magnolia
famous.
That's right.
cupcake.
Yeah. Nice cupcakes.
वे देखो तुम Sex and the City
हाँ?
बहुत अच्छा है.
Yeah.
हाँ.
किताब भी पढ़ो.
Insight
बहुत
into the
अच्छा.
female mind.
Actually, you know
हाँ.
what? I have not seen Sex and the City. I've only seen And the City क्योंकि मैंने Sex and the City TV पे देखा है. उसमें कुछ sex था ही नहीं.
Hilarious.
Yeah, it was And the
Hilarious.
City. Yeah, I was like,
So
ah.
sad.
You know, I hadn't seen the Titanic sex scene until like recently.
What?
Cause no
Because you weren't a 11-year-old boy.
censored versions. Yeah, because I wasn't an 11-year-old boy.
That's the
The car scene. The foggy
Yeah,
car
yeah,
scene?
the foggy car
Oh,
scene.
yeah.
I
You
haven't seen
strangely enough-
Kate Winslet's boobs.
you
I
know,
haven't
no.
So you know what? It's very strange. I saw that movie with my parents in Chandigarh,
Of course.
non-censored.
Yeah.
Saw the boobs, saw the sex scene. I was like, this is not awkward at all, guys. सब देख रहे हैं.
Dude,
And my
like-
brother was barely a toddler, and when I think Jack dies, he says "मर गया" very loudly, and the entire silence in the hall is like broken by laughter.
Oh wow.
Destroyed Jack.
Coming
Like-
back to
Coming back to किताबें.
In terms of like travel books, what else? What else?
So I would like to talk about this book
Yeah.
by Chuck Klosterman called "Killing Yourself to Live." So he's an essayist and a pop culture writer.
And a claustrophobic.
He's a Klosterman. Looks like a very cute version of Ed Sheeran. Chuck Klosterman, if you're watching this, I love you. Okay, stop. So anyway, so this book is really funny. A and B, he's been given an assignment by Spin Magazine to go retrace all the places where famous rock stars died. So he
Ooh,
rents a fort
superb.
and he drives through Tennessee, Minneapolis, Memphis, and he basically goes and visits all the graves. And on
Yeah.
the way, he makes relationships, he finds women,
course.
and he goes to this really famous Olive Garden restaurant where he has breadsticks. So
But
there's a
Olive
lot.
Garden is a chain.
I don't know which one he goes to. Someone he goes to in the book, but it's really nice because it's literally a traveler,
Yeah.
and he just
No. It's literally a
Literally a travelogue. Very
but
well.
it's
Very
really nice. Like I want to go to Middle America after reading this.
That's super.
You know, there is a Kerouac museum and a bar where Kerouac drank and all in San Francisco.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He drank a lot.
Yeah.
Like,
Do alcoholics make great travelogue writers?
Of course. Speaking of, let's talk about Hunter S. Thompson.
Hunter S. Thompson, yes, man. क्या बात है? This is the segue of the century. Super, brilliant. हाँ. Fear and Loathing. Oh man, yeah, that's another book.
Fear
That's
and
another.
Loathing.
That book though opens
Dude.
with that highway that goes from California to Vegas, which was the
66,
trip
is it?
that I did. Yeah, that
66,
was the
no,
road trip that I
66,
did from LA to Vegas, and it opens and it has all these drugs in the
Oh, man.
like there.
You know, you'll never be as cool as Hunter S. Thompson.
Never. My whole my dearest ambition in life is to be as cool
Yeah,
as
this
Hunter
is
S.
my,
Thompson.
like 1% of
Yeah,
like,
and I mean I don't want to kill myself, but like you know, but
No, so you know what? I read Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas,
Huh.
and then I went to Punjab.
भाई दोस्त,
Fear and Loathing
please
in
I want to know
Chandigarh.
this. I want to know this story,
नहीं,
please.
तो
भाई.
I
वो तो उड़ता पंजाब है दोस्त.
नहीं
Fear and
नहीं
Loathing
तो
in
उड़ता पंजाब
Chandigarh
नहीं
is
हुआ
उड़ता
ना
पंजाब.
ये
उड़ता
पहले उड़ता पंजाब से पहले गया था. हाँ, बताओ.
उड़ता पंजाब नहीं हुआ तो basically it was the first trip I had done with a friend. Okay, so backpacking trip. So we went to
Backpacking in the Punjab.
yeah in Amritsar, Wagah
Dude, this
border,
is
all
a
that.
book यार.
तो मैंने लिखा है वही लिखा है मैंने
यही
तो
book है?
हाँ तो I read Fear and Loathing, then I shut the book, then I was on the flight and I was like I have to write 30,000 feet in the air, I'm writing. So I literally documented the whole trip just because of Hunter S. Thompson.
Yeah.
And it's called Road for Idiots because
Well done.
because I didn't want to research it. So I was like, Road for
What was
Idiots.
the road trip from Chandigarh to Amritsar?
No, it was the trip is about we land Bombay to Amritsar, Wagah border, all of that. Then we went to Jammu, then back and back. But it's like it was our first time traveling, so that's a part of it. And the second thing, the thematic aspect of it is that it was our first interaction as city people to like a lot of the
Khet, Vet,
Khet
Khyayan,
scenes.
mustard fields and
yeah. So that's
waiting for
pretty-
a song to erupt and
Yeah.
one dupatta.
We saw sarson ka fields and all, and
Like
just
bachpan.
no, just Punjabi farmers, not
No hot chicks.
no hot chicks,
Running
no
towards
Shah Rukh, nothing. So, but
Yashraj is a lie.
it's a lie, full
You
झूठ
know
बोला है.
backup dancers coming to like,
Yeah.
हाँ चलते रहो.
कुछ भी नहीं.
No women with handis on their heads. Like, okay, let's move on.
There was like
Actually, there are.
was a buffalo called,
Buffalo.
called
Okay.
Mango.
Okay, so talk about the kind of. Have you read any book that has that left you disappointed with the
In-
journey?
With the journey.
No.
Never happened.
Not really. I mean, like you put it down
Pointed
too
to the
fast.
book. But not the show.
No. Like you read something, you're like, हाँ ये तो बहुत सही होएगा, and then you went there, ये क्या है? कहाँ है?
Sharon, हमने किताबें बहुत पढ़ी है और जर्नीज बहुत कम
बहुत कम
की
किया.
है.
That's actually true.
तो
Shit,
तो
truth
ये
is
अब तक-
coming out. We are
ये
very
Indian
badly
passport पे हम कहाँ जा
कहाँ
सकते
जा
हैं?
सकते हैं?
Poorly traveled folk.
Dude, I researched this. Apparently, you can go to 54 countries.
Oh really?
हाँ, we
Yeah,
have
without a
read this
visa, yeah,
list.
No, and
many of them.
also if you have a US visa, you can go to Mexico. And Turkey is an e-visa and Australia is an e-visa and stuff.
If you
yeah.
have an American visa, a passport, so you
No,
can. Oh,
no,
you're
I'm
just
saying
talking
if
about
you have a
visa.
US visa
Oh,
as
then
an
you can go to these
Indian,
places.
you can go to
Oh.
Mexico without
This
a
is
Mexican
also
visa.
travel hacks
Yeah.
podcast on travel hacks.
That's true. That's true. Also, always take anti-diarrhea pills.
Yeah, you know what I get? I get reverse Delhi belly.
Hey,
San
wait.
Francisco makes me sick.
Guys, Anthony Bourdain. Anthony Bourdain.
yeah.
उसका मेरे को I read this one book he did on world cuisine. Oh my God, just every place he talks about. And you know the cool thing is that every writer that you read who writes, every new perspective just goes like, dude, there is so much in the world and I will never be able to do any of
Yeah,
this.
I
Like,
know. That's really, yeah.
कि खाना भी है, फिर history भी है, फिर ये भी है, फिर क्या करूँगा?
Yeah, books that do inspire wanderlust also make you
Make you
it-
sad.
make you
Make you
feel
sad,
really
yeah.
shitty about
Yeah.
yourself because you will never have the time to do all of this.
Never.
You'll never have the money India में रह के जिसके पास पैसा होने वाला.
That is also
Time,
true.
money.
मैंने सारे savings खत्म कर दिए वो US road trip
Go,
पे.
go to Cambodia. Where currency is lower than us.
Oh really?
Much lower.
Go to Cambodia.
Go to Cambodia.
Any books on Cambodia?
There is one on the killing
There are
fields.
not that many.
No, killing fields. Whoa! क्या बात है? क्या बात है?
High level
Killing
puns
Fields. No, talk about Killing Fields.
Killing Fields. Yes, there's a book by this guy called Bruce Robinson. I think it's a book and a
Bruce
movie.
Robinson.
Yeah. He's
Bruce
Did
Dickinson
he write
and
that book
Robinson
with
Crusoe.
his pen?
I didn't get that one.
Never mind.
Oh, Nom Pen?
Yeah. Started, I wanted to finish
Bye, bye, bye.
it. No, tell us about the Killing Fields.
So when you go to Cambodia, you also came to.
Cambodia, is that what it
Please edit that. No, so what was that? Yeah, Killing Fields. So that's another thing, right? When you read about the history of a place via a story, via like a
Kitab.
like a kitab, context, fiction, even if it's fiction for that matter, you just get an appreciation for the place. And like another book like that is Brief Wondrous
and
Life of Oscar
Life of
Wilde.
Oscar Wilde, yeah.
I mean, I think have you read it?
No, I've not.
I
You
just
were
actually
recommending.
read it for this podcast. I had it again.
That's a commitment
again,
to this podcast that
yeah.
is unbelievable. Sahi hai.
Making me feel bad about not doing homework.
Yeah.
Thanks, Anuya, topper.
Yeah.
Again was sent to me through that book.
ये तेरा कौन है ये क्या चीज है ये क्यों नहीं मिलता
I have
मुझे
मेरे को क्यों नहीं है
Brief
मेरे
and
पास?
Wondrous
Yeah.
नहीं है।
donors, I guess. See, it means that your friends of friends suck. If people didn't send you books,
I
your
never
friends
did
of
it.
friends suck.
friends are friends क्या my
Friends are
friends suck
friends.
also
Yeah.
so
No, your friends will give books anyway, whatever.
हाँ.
So Brief and Wondrous.
Wondrous Life
yeah, and
of
it's funny
Oscar
because
Wilde.
when I was in
Wow.
Syracuse and I was studying journalism, Juno Diaz had come to
Oh,
the campus.
what?
Yeah. And तभी मेरे को I'm like नहीं whatever, who cares Juno Diaz कौन है मेरे को नहीं
oh
पता.
man
And then I read this
Then he became
book.
famous.
Yeah, no, he just won the prize.
the Pulitzer.
Yeah, the Pulitzer. So
such
In
a worthy
hindsight,
book
you were like,
yaar.
shit.
It is
excellent
such a
introduction to the Dominican Republic, which is
Which you'll never go to.
which you'll also never think of. Like who thinks of हम लोग बैठ के
नहीं
मतलब France,
सोचते।
Italy, US तो every book is a US travelogue.
Correct.
But this one teaches you geography and history of the Dominican Republic, and it really makes you want to go there.
Yeah.
Like really,
And
so much history.
not just like like go there, but also like it tells you everything you need to know about the place.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
You know what we've not talked about? Strangely, we're talking about books around the world in 80 days.
Oh,
by
yeah.
Jules Verne.
वो तो like तो खत्म ही कर दिया ना उससे
80 दिन में जाके आया, क्या देखा उसने? कुछ नहीं देखा.
hot air balloon में यार
But it was a
Kesari Travels.
perfect pulpy book. It had adventure, it had like intrigue, it
That's
had
true.
journey, it had a hot air balloon. And did you know this? That I started reading it again because of this podcast. I also read something. So
At this point, I'm the only one who's not read anything for this podcast. Nothing.
So there was this one bit in which his
Vale.
his valet Phileas talks about. So the reason he started doing this around the world in 80 days is because this is the 19th century, and they're just laying down the Indian railway system. The British are just laying it down, and so the news in the Daily Telegraph, in the cafes and the bars that they used to sit and read newspapers in, mentioned that this new Indian railway system is going to allow you to travel the world in 80 days. And then somebody says, hey, wait, Joe, actually do it and show me. And this guy said, मैं करके दिखाता हूँ. And that's how the book started.
Wow.
So the fact that there was this one Indian sort of context to the book
You know
was
what?
hilarious.
You know what the update for this would be, where he's sitting there at the IRCTC website, and it's like नहीं बन रहा है. Fuck it, hot air balloon निकालो, चलो. This would be the update.
That's really interesting.
So I wanted to mention an author actually who does this really well. You know, we were talking about making the city a character. Alexander McCall Smith does that really well. So I've read 2 of his series. The first one is the No. 1 Ladies Detective Agency, which has, you know,
Superb.
yeah, it's a brilliant series.
Superb.
Yeah. And
Worth reading.
it makes you want to go. It talks about Botswana. See, the thing is also
Botswana?
yeah. You have to.
Did not see that coming.
Right? So we like we've discussed, we've traveled so little, and so much of our literature is American that whenever something like this crops up and there's a city or a country in it that you have never seen, you remember it all the more. So that, and also he has another one called Philosophy Club, the Sunday Philosophy Club, which is set in Edinburgh, which again makes you like want to desperately go to Edinburgh.
Why does he
It's
have
amazing.
these like little clubs and things he talks about?
It
Like, what
always is like that, and there is the protagonist is an oldish woman, and it's very like how do I say this? It's very melancholy, but also very interesting and funny at the same time. Like he's got this voice which is very characteristically his. Great author. Please read. We discussed
I will.
Emma also by him.
So
Yeah.
I've seen this book and this man in so many bookstores.
Yeah.
I mean, I've not
Alexander
seen
McCall
him
Smith.
there, but like seen his book. But I've never taken it up. I should.
You should read the No. 1 Ladies Detective Agency.
100%.
It's
And
beautiful.
so and I also have a recommendation if you ever want to
I'm also reading that,
rediscover.
Chuck.
Yeah,
Chuck
please.
Klosterman.
He's.
लेके जाओ उसको.
Chuck.
हाँ ये मैं
मैं वापस दे दे रहा हूँ.
देखते हैं.
So, if you ever want to rediscover Lutyens, Delhi, and the Mughal history behind Delhi, City of Jinns by William Dalrymple is fabulous. Like he talks about not just the erudite Lutyens, old world, colonial past, and also the Mughal past, but he also talks about the underbelly. So he talks about all the red light areas, you know, all the paranthe wali gullies, but in his version. And that white version of a city like Delhi, which is so ingrained in our Indian past, is fabulous. Like, please read it. I think you will not be disappointed by this book.
I think like I mean what we've done essentially in the podcast is that we've done 2 kinds of books, right? One is the actual like writing
Travelogue,
on
yeah.
travels,
Yeah.
and one is the books about places that you want to visit
Yes.
after
Yeah,
reading
yes.
it.
yeah.
That's,
We've covered both.
and I think that's the other awesome thing, that which is why you need writers from every place,
Yeah,
you know, because
yeah.
there is no better representative of that place than a writer.
Yeah.
You know, like there's no better advertisement,
Yeah.
like there's
Like books that inspire wanderlust, of course, are also because the culture fascinates us so much.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
introducing us
yeah.
to something that we haven't
Exactly.
read about before.
before.
Yeah.
There's another really nice book called Mr. Pip. I think you guys.
Oh yeah.
Why?
good.
I've only read about it. I've never gotten around to reading it.
What's it about?
It is about. So Mr. Pip is about. It's set in these islands. Okay, these
French Polynesian island.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. And it's basically about this one teacher there, okay, who has only one book, Great Expectations,
Okay.
by
of
Dickens.
course, Mr. Pip.
Yeah, and he's reading it
I'll
out
be surprised.
to these kids, and it's about how fiction can save people's lives, you know, in like regimes, and when war and poverty and all of these things come together, then escape is one of the things you want. It's a super book.
You know, this is reminding me, Jeet Thayil has written Narcopolis.
Great
It's
book.
beautiful.
About Bombay.
It's about Bombay,
Yeah.
and it's about the heroin culture
Drug
of
dens.
Bombay, the drug dens and the
Heroin
opium
culture
dens.
is very
and-
big in Bombay.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
Madhuri Dixit, Juhi Chawla, so many heroines.
Please read Narcopolis by Jeet.
Okay, let's come to the clickbait round. Clickbait round.
Clickbait, yay!
So,
Can I please say though, we named it because we wanted people to see it because such preposterous things came out of the round that people would see that and then come and watch our video.
Oh,
कभी नहीं हुआ
as a
है.
trailer.
नहीं, never. I don't know. We've never actually cut it and put it anywhere.
Yeah.
no, we should.
We should.
But
Terrible
yeah.
marketing by broadcast.
Clickbait round.
Okay.
Sharon, why don't you tell him what his clickbait
Okay,
round
so it's basically if you were to discover India, we'll just throw some random places at you, and you have to suggest titles of books that would
Superb,
come
I love
out
it.
of these places.
Yeah,
Love it.
on these
Yeah.
places.
So we can go one at a time.
हाँ.
So brace yourself.
I think I'll also
no cheating.
participate.
Okay.
No cheating.
Okay, then you don't.
I'm not seeing.
No cheating.
No
okay.
cheating.
First place is Dharavi.
Dharavi.
अरे वही तो हो गया यार.
Yeah.
Slumdog Millionaire. Q&A by Vikas. Sir.
There's also another book called the Beyond the Beautiful something.
Forever.
When
Beyond the tomorrow forevers.
Beautiful Beyond after. I don't know.
क्या हो गया भाई?
Brothers. I don't know.
Well done.
But I
okay.
know what book you're talking about. Catherine Boo.
Catherine Boo.
She's written it.
Yeah.
For you especially.
Ah.
Bitiya Bihar.
Bitiya Bihar.
That's a place.
Yeah, it's
There's a place called Bitiya in Bihar.
You
How
don't-
strange, because that's
Oh,
where
I
they kill all the
thought you were
women.
telling me
Oh,
Bitiya Bihar.
Bihar is a space.
Bit-
Oh, Bitiya in Bihar.
Bitiya in Bihar. Feticide.
I was also thinking that. Yeah, that is what it should be called. Journey from womb to trash can.
Oh my God. That is a travel.
The travelogue of Bitiya Bihar.
Panauti, UP.
The luck of going to Panauti.
Luck?
The luck of going to Panauti.
Okay.
I think I should start working for SNG Comedy.
Look, I never said I was good at this.
These places actually exist, by the way. I just actually googled weird sounding, weird name places in India, and this entire list came up.
Who's done this?
What was this called?
Samir.
Panauti Zindagi Ki.
Oh.
Oh, well.
Ha.
Okay. Sorry, it is actually true. Chutia MP.
Chutia MP.
Chutia MPs, so all are politicians.
Um,
They are all Chutia
The book
MPs.
should be called Just for the Check-In. Just for the Check-In by Kaushik Srivastava.
Okay, next one is, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm assuming it's Dudu, Rajasthan.
Dudu, Rajasthan. The trip you have to Dudu.
Sorry.
That thing you do.
Dudu?
You. Poo, Himachal Pradesh.
Oh wait. What? Where is it from? Himachal.
Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal
Poo,
Pradesh.
with an H.
Vinny does Himachal Pradesh.
That is also the porno version, I'm assuming.
Unless you want to
Vinny
see.
does Himachal Pradesh.
Yeah, Vinny's just like the whole state.
Your hub में भी मिलेगा.
Okay, and
What you don't
Your
know?
hub? What the hell is-
YouPorn.
Your hub.
Your hub.
your hub, YouPorn?
You don't know Debbie Does Dallas and all of it. You're too young to know these iconic 70s, 80s pornos called Debbie Does Dallas.
She does all of that.
She does
all
Dallas.
of Dallas.
Yeah. Oh, you don't know this?
No, neither do
You also don't know this? My friends told me about it. I
Acha,
second-
I like how now
My friends
suddenly my friends told me. Oh my god.
My God, from
I
books to
don't know.
porn in one travelogue.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Anyway, I'm
Last
amazed that you didn't know.
one is really interesting. Bhaisa, Telangana.
Bhaisa, Telangana.
Wait. Ooh, Bhaisa.
I'm going to just call the book, just because it's Telangana, I should call it Two States.
Hilarious. I'll call it bullshit.
Okay.
An existential novel in Bhaisa, Telangana. मैं भैंसा क्यों हूँ?
Oh, slow.
मैं भैंसा क्यों
Slow
हूँ?
clap. Slow claps.
Yeah.
Claps of the slows.
This,
Okay,
the sequel to this will be that thing you do. 'Cause
Yeah.
Bhaisa.
Oh my God.
No, so you know,
Telangana to Rajasthan.
I can see why you guys haven't cut up these sections and put them up. It makes complete sense to me now.
Yeah.
That brings us to the end of another fabulous podcast.
Yes!
Thank you, Karthik.
Thank you for having me.
For taking this journey with us.
Thank you for having me. Hey, when Biharis go to Africa, they go like Egypt.
I don't get it.
Huh?
Egypt.
Huh?
Egypt? E book hai Egypt. Hai.
Oh!
Let's not start with that one. Do you have any others?
No.
Okay, thank
Hey,
you.
I went for a boys trip
To?
to Turkey.
Oh, you mean Roorkee?
हाँ,
No, to Turkey.
Turkey.
Oh, shit.
Let's not do this at all. Straight and straight. So, it was great being on the podcast. Lovely.
Lovely. This is actually what happens when you come back from where we've traveled to when you're on your way home.
And when you
To my
Guys, you know where I was born? In Punjab.
You saw that? You heard that? That was what I deserved.
That's called a mic drop.
Yeah.
Right.
It's called a patra drop actually.
Patra drop.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Karthik.
Thank you.
Karthik.
Thank you for
Thank
having
you
me.
for joining us for this great podcast.
I absolutely
so many
loved it.
great recommendations.
Yeah, I
Yeah, I
absolutely
really
loved
want
it.
to travel now.
Yeah.
And,
all the
And
books.
read.
yeah, and if you have travel books, please recommend
Yes,
them because
please.
I
Yes,
would love to read
yes.
them.
Yes.
I'm sure
Yes.
you guys would love to read them
Yeah,
too.
and if you have any books, any alternate opinions on what
Yeah.
we discussed, alternative.
Yeah, if you hate
on what
every
we
book we've
discussed,
recommended,
yeah, please let us
please actually don't let us.
know. No,
Fine,
let us
give it
know.
us.
No, please tell us.
तू
Tell us.
अपना podcast चालू कर उससे
Please
बोल
मत
लेता
चालू कर, हमको बताओ.
Counter podcast. No. Please let us know because I mean ultimately it's just us and it's our opinion and
Yeah, and there are only
the
like
idea
3
is to-
readers in the world.
Yeah. The idea is to shut up, start a dialogue
Is to start
on
a dialogue.
books. Yes. So
Yes.
we'd love to hear from you if you don't agree with something that we
And
say.
Yeah.
yes, and please comment, share, subscribe, and like to our channel.
Yeah, and if you have travel recommendations also.
Yeah,
Please
give
give
us
us,
travel
yeah.
recommendations.
Tell
Yeah.
us where as Indians our passport can take us.
Yeah.
Or not.
Yeah.
And if you're from Chutia, please move.
So do first and then Bhanga.
Okay, I think we're good.
Okay, bye.
Okay, super. See you.